Did you know that the strength of Jupiter, that's Guru Balam, directly impacts your wisdom, success, and spiritual growth? Welcome to Astropomistry and Psychology with Akhila Murthy. Guru Jupiter is the planet of expansion, abundance, and higher knowledge. But its power varies based on your Rashi and planetary placement in your birth chart. Guru Balam means the strength of Jupiter in your birth chart. A strong Jupiter brings wisdom, wealth, and guidance. A weak Jupiter can lead to confusion, financial struggles, and lack of direction. Your Rashi determines how Jupiter's energy manifests in your life. Jupiter grants Aries boldness and spiritual wisdom. When strong, it brings success in leadership and education. However, if weak, it can lead to impulsiveness and a lack of patience. To balance its energy, chanting Om Guruve Namaha daily can be beneficial. For Taurus, Jupiter brings financial stability and patience. A strong Jupiter supports career growth and harmonious relationships, while a weak one may cause material struggles and stubbornness. To strengthen its influence, donating yellow clothes on Thursday is recommended. Jupiter influences intellect and communication in Gemini. If strong, it grants success in teaching and writing. But if weak, it can cause restlessness and indecision. Reading sacred texts like the Bhagavad Gita helps balance its effects. Jupiter enhances emotional wisdom and nurturing qualities in Cancer. A strong Jupiter brings prosperity through intuition, while a weak one may cause emotional instability and mood swings. Wearing a yellow sapphire or cockroach after proper consultation can help. For Leo, Jupiter amplifies leadership and creativity. When strong, it leads to fame, recognition, and success. But a weak Jupiter can cause ego issues and poor judgment. Offering prayers to Bhagavan Vishnu on Thursday is a beneficial remedy. Jupiter influences logic and service oriented careers in Virgo. A strong placement leads to success in medicine, writing, and research, while a weak one can cause overthinking and health concerns. Avoiding non vegetarian food on Thursday helps align its energy. In Libra, Jupiter governs balance and relationships. If strong, it brings harmony in personal and professional life. If weak, it can cause relationship struggles and financial losses. Feeding bananas to cows can help mitigate negative effects. Jupiter provides deep wisdom and transformation for Scorpio. A strong Jupiter supports success in research and occult sciences, while a weak one can cause power struggles and hidden fears. Meditating on Om Brihaspatiye Namaha helps in strengthening its positive effects. In Jupiter is Sagittarius ruling planet, it brings luck and knowledge. A strong placement here grants natural leadership and success, while a weak one may result in overconfidence and lack of discipline. Practicing gratitude and avoiding arrogance is essential for balance. Jupiter impacts discipline and long term goals in Capricorn. When strong, it ensures steady success and resilience. But a weak Jupiter can cause delays in achievements and pessimism. Donating turmeric or chana dal on Thursday is an effective remedy. For Aquarius, Jupiter governs innovation and humanitarian efforts. A strong placement brings visionary success and intelligence, while a weak one can lead to isolation and poor judgment. Engaging in charity work and helping the underprivileged strengthens its influences. As Jupiter rules Pisces, it blesses individuals with intuition and creativity. A strong Jupiter leads to deep spirituality and prosperity, whereas a weak one can make one overly dependent on emotions. Offering yellow flowers to Bhagavan Vishnu is a powerful remedy. Worship Bhagavan Vishnu and chant Jupiter mantras. Wear yellow and include turmeric in your diet. Practice generosity by donating books, food, or clothes. Jupiter's energy can shape your destiny, but are you making the most of it? If you want to understand how Jupiter influences your life personally, reach out for a consultation to unlock your true potential.